Hey guys, I want to share about my bathroom shopping experience today. I know this is awkward, but this site is worth mentioning. I was looking for a bathtub and I came across this website known as QS Supplies. They have got massive tons of baths. How many? I didn't count to be honest, but a choice for everyone. I bought myself a sleek double-ended bath. I love the style and sophisticated design. After choosing this, the sales service was brilliant. So if you want to do bathroom shopping, don't forget, check www.qssupplies.co.uk. I highly recommend it.